price go higher, the volume fall out. But when you are using technical analysis and your logic, you can never know that. This is a quick update about Bitcoin market. So today we will give an update about Bitcoin, what's happened yesterday about the FOMC and all this funding raise stuff. So let's get into the charts. In my opinion, let's just remove that. Yeah, in my opinion, Bitcoin is still bullish, which means we have advantage to going higher according to what's happened, because the Ripple ETF is coming also, and that will make the market a little bit crazy and a little bit extra bullish. And does not mean I am telling you the Bitcoin will go to $1 million. No, I'm not telling that. So I'm telling you right now, according to what's happening, Bitcoin can maybe 130. Yeah, and then we can see some kind of big corrections. So because the smart money they are now trying to position themselves. For example, if I'm just putting the volume profile simply is the tool that will show you the volume according to the price levels, not at the time. You people use the volume according to the time. No, it's not how life work. You need to use to the price, because if someone wanna buy, like it just not just push the price buy. No, we know the price exactly will he will start accumulate huge volume, high volume. You see that it's not gonna happen by you and by me. It's gonna happen by HFTs, high frequency traders. So let's see what's happened. In the last video I said you need to put your eyes before this dump. See that? For that big drop, I said you need to put your attention there and there, that's high volume. And also, if the Bitcoin just come across to those highs, that high and that high, no, it cannot be stopped by this stupidity. It will go to, let's see this. Yeah, it will go to this, because, and maybe it can be stopped something like that for reconsolidation to go lower. So I am not really believe that it will come here and it will go higher. If we come here, just like avoid anything, just it will do some consolidation, continue below, because the algorithm will analyze this is the high volume, which means they will start to sell here to execute their orders here, which means a good sale for them. So it's not gonna happen like that. So what I am telling you here, as we see this accumulation here, it's a little bit 2 million Bitcoin being traded here. Yeah, so let's just remove that and we just focus on the last weeks. So this is a high volume. Rated is basically any kind of strategy you will use. This is support resistance. Yeah, obviously maybe a lot of people got to hit their stops around of this dump, because it was quick. How to identify liquidity sweeps need to be quick and aggressive, and don't tell me 400 candles even if it's quick. No, maybe 1-2 single candles going to straight to that direction. As we see here, one single candle pass all of these lows until reach here, because that guy, he know that low have liquidity. And for me here was a good price to buy, because it was far away from the POC. As I said before, never buy here, always buy far away from the POC. I said that in the last video. So here now it starts creating another support. I don't like that. Yesterday was a little bit manipulation here using the FOMC news. So what I am looking for, I am looking at least to pass this high. If it passed this high, I'm starting being bullish to take out that high also. If the market just consolidates here, which means it have a very good reason to go again lower, because most of people will think that it will go higher. There is no reason to consolidate here, because if it's consolidated, which means it want to give you opportunity to get in, which means they want your stop loss to be generated somewhere here. So yeah, so the market, whenever it hits stop loss, it just run. It cannot give you opportunity to get in until it reaches a little bit something higher here. Yeah, it can give, but here no. Near from the accumulation. No, look here, one single candle past the low, not 100, 200. No, one go, sweep all the liquidity and push higher. Look, from here to here, is it give you any opportunity? No, because a lot of people will wait for that market structure to get in and retest. No, it didn't give you opportunity. Just push higher until we reach here. Yeah, no problem, give them accumulation and manipulate them again and then go higher. So yeah, the same thing here. If it's just like perfect sweep of liquidity, like they took the money that they want, which means they have no reason to consolidate. So yeah, I'm looking more likely to take these lows. So anyway, this is what I'm looking for Bitcoin right now. But Bitcoin for me, it's overvalue. It's far away from the real price, because the smart money already positioned themselves at winning. When the Fed was telling you stop buying Bitcoin and Bitcoin is scam, that was the right time to buy. But now, as they are telling you, Bitcoin ETF, Bitcoin is the future, regulation or this kind of stupidity, yeah, it's pretty time to sell, as I think. Even maybe you can miss something from the table, but it is what it is. This is the reality. Someone now is trying to sell because there is no interest. As you see, look, as price go higher, the volume fall out. But when you are using technical analysis and your logic, you can never know that, because it's a brutal reality. Yeah, it is what it is. But the volume profile show you exactly like this. You see here a lot of volume, and here starts the volume increase and the price go higher, which means this is divergent, which means something like that. Bitcoin will go again to below that. Trust me or not, this is the reality, man. Like, just accept it. There is no other way. Because it is what it is. When the price was here, I said to people, buy in my Instagram, like before that, when the price was here. And you people, all of you, fear. Why I know that? Because someone has positioned himself here. Why? I just drag the volume profile, and they see a lot of volume being traded here. A lot. And look, the price was going lower and the volume was going higher, which means what? This is divergent. It should be volume like that and they like that, but this is the opposite, which means this is a lot of people fear and get out according, because this candle was the Fed, I think, telling people, you will lose Bitcoin as scam. Here is where they position themselves, and you see after they take out all the retail money, look, they push the price higher, and look, they said no way my friend to go below that, because we bought. You should reverse, push higher. Look, in one single day he pushed Bitcoin 30%. You cannot do that. And who is doing that? These guys. Look, 16 million Bitcoin being traded here. Like, you cannot beat these guys. So, and then they position themselves in very good way. Then now I think these guys, they are selling here, taking their profits. So no way.